This new AI website is paying beginners in the US just to rewrite simple content. You don't need experience, you don't need followers, and you don't need advanced writing skills. All you need is a laptop or phone and around 20 minutes a day. If you've ever wanted a simple, online income method, this one might finally be it. Welcome back to Side Hustle Nation, the place where we test real methods that real people are using to make money online. Today, I'm showing you a rewriting side hustle that's trending across the US right now. It's beginner-friendly, high-paying, and works even if you've never earned online before. So let's jump straight into the steps. The website we're using today is an AI rewriting platform that creates new, original versions of any text. It's designed to help freelancers, businesses, and creators save hours of writing time. Thousands of companies in the US need rewritten content every day. That's exactly why beginners can get paid for the simple task. Businesses always want content that is fresh, original, and free of plagiarism. They don't want to spend hours rewriting it themselves. That's why they hire affordable freelancers to do it for them. With AI tools, the process becomes much faster and more profitable for beginners. Most new freelancers make between $20 and $60 per rewrite depending on the length. As you get better, earning $80 to $150 a day becomes common. Some US freelancers even hit $200 daily. With fast delivery orders, your earnings grow as your reviews and experience grow. Go to the AI rewriting website and sign up using your email. The free plan is enough to get started and complete your first few jobs. Once you log in, select the rewrite tool. This is the feature that makes the entire process simple and beginner-friendly. Clients usually send you text they want rewritten, but if you're practicing, use public domain articles or text from blogs. Just make sure you're not copying protected content without permission. Your goal is to simply turn existing text into something fresh and original. Paste the original text into the AI rewriting tool. Click Rewrite and wait a few seconds for the new version. The tool will generate multiple high-quality options. Choose the best one and make tiny edits if needed to make it sound natural. Once your rewrite is ready, copy and paste it into a document. Always include the original and the rewritten version side by side. This shows clients exactly how much value you delivered. It also makes you look professional and trustworthy. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Freelancer have thousands of rewriting jobs. Clients there need quick and affordable rewrites every single day. You don't need experience to create your profile. Just list yourself as a content rewriter or AI-assisted writer. Create a gig titled "I will rewrite your content into a 100% original version." Using advanced AI tools, add sample rewritten paragraphs so buyers can see your quality. Start with a low price to attract your first few reviews. Once you have 5 to 10 reviews, increase your rates. Clients pay more when your gig looks clean and professional. Use keywords like rewrite, SEO content, and plagiarism-free writing. Offer 24-hour delivery at a higher price to boost income. The faster you deliver, the more orders you receive. Companies and creators in the US publish huge amounts of online content. They don't have the time to rewrite everything manually. They prefer paying freelancers who use AI because it's fast and affordable. That's why this side hustle is exploding in 2025. Once you start getting consistent orders, raise your prices slightly. Offer multiple word count packages to earn more per project. Add express delivery for an extra fee to increase daily revenue. With this system, hitting $80, $150 daily becomes realistic quickly. You can also rewrite old blog posts for small businesses. Many businesses pay monthly for updated content. You can offer a subscription service for weekly rewrites. This creates stable monthly income instead of one-time payments. Always proofread your content before sending it. Use a grammar checker for final polish. Respond to clients quickly because fast communication increases orders. And always deliver earlier than promised to earn repeat business. This rewriting side hustle is one of the easiest and most consistent ways to make money online in 2025. Anyone with a phone and internet connection can do it. You don't need to be a writer or expert. You just need to start your first gig today. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on the AI rewriting method. If you want tomorrow's topic and script, comment next. Make sure to like and subscribe for more daily USA-based money-making videos. I'll see you in the next one.